All aboard the ABC train. We're riding through sunshine, snow, and rain. A is for apple, B is for bee. Come ride along and learn with me. Chugga, here we go. First stop, let's say hello. A is for apple, red and round. Crunch it up, hear that sound. Next comes B with a buzz in the air. B is for bee, flying here and there. C is for cat with a purr so sweet, riding the train with happy feet. All aboard the ABC train. We're riding through sunshine, snow, and rain. D is for drum, E is for egg. F is a frog with jumpy legs. G is for giraffe, tall and proud. H is for helicopter, flying loud. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a jiggly delight. K is for kangaroo, bouncing by. L is for lion, give a roar so high. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, tucked in tight. All aboard the ABC train. We're crossing hills and rolling plain. O is for octopus, swimming with glee. P is for penguin, sliding on ice, so free. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rocket, zooming up, not down. S is for snake, slithering past. T is for turtle, not too fast. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing nearby. W is for whale, who sings in the sea. X is for zoomplane, playing with glee. All aboard the ABC train. We're nearly done through sun and rain. Y is for yo-yo, spinning with flair. Z is for zebra with stripes. Red rose blooming in the sun. Red is bright and full of fun. Yellow daisy, sweet and small. Yellow shines the best of all. Bluebell flowers by the tree. Blue is calm as it can be. Red, yellow, blue we see in the garden happily. Red rose blooming is in the sun. Red is bright and full of fun. Yellow daisy, sweet and small. Yellow shines the best of all. Bluebell flowers by the tree. Blue is calm as it can be. Red, yellow, blue we see in the garden happily. Red, yellow, blue we see in the garden happily. Round and round the seasons go. Chicks are cheeping, skies are blue. Raindrops fall and gardens grow. Buzzing bees go to and fro. Summer comes with sunny days. We run and jump and splash and play. Ice cream melts, the sun is high. Kites go dancing in the sky. Autumn leaves fall all around, red and yellow on the ground. Pumpkins grow and winds blow cool. Time for for sweaters back at school. Winter winds blow cold and white, snowflakes sparkle in the night. We build snowmen, laugh and slide, then drink cocoa warm inside. If your hot day is red, I feel so bright, ready to go and do what's right. We learn and share, we start the week with red hearts, strong and happy cheeks. Although Tuesday is orange, I feel so bold, trying new things, brave and gold. I count and build and sing my song with orange joy all day long. Here weekdays a rainbow, all colors are here, a mix of feelings we hold dear. We happily laugh, sing and play, rainbow joy ends our weekdays. When Wednesday is yellow, I feel the cheer, smiling wide from ear to ear. We draw and play and laugh out loud with yellow sun behind a cloud. Till Thursday is green, I feel so calm. Nature walks and leafy palms. We read and rest and plant a seed. Green brings peace in all we need. Here weekdays a rainbow, all colors are here, a mix of feelings we hold dear. We happily laugh, sing and play, rainbow joy ends our weekdays. Till Friday is blue, I feel just right, cool and kind from day to night. We help a friend, we say thank you, and paint the skies in lovely blue. Check Saturday's purple, I feel slow, a quiet time with nowhere to go. We bake, we snuggle, we take our time. Purple dreams feel so fine. Here weekdays a rainbow, all colors are here, a mix of feelings we hold dear. We happily laugh, sing and play, rainbow joy ends our weekdays. In the heart of the forest where the flowers grow lives a tiny little shop with a honey glow. The busy bug bakery opens with a cheer. Come one, come all, the goodies are here. Call Buzz, Buzz, stir and bake. We make treats for goodness sake. Mix it, whisk it, yum, oh yum. Cookies, cupcakes, here they come. Ladybug rolls out the soft dough slow, while the bumblebee pours sweet honey flow. And spring flower in a beetle parade, and sprinkles fly in a rainbow cascade. Buzz, buzz, stir and bake. We make treats for goodness sake. Mix it, whisk it, yum, oh yum. Cookies, cupcakes, here they come. Into the oven the goodies go, warming up in a lovely glow. They wait and wiggle, giggle and hum till the oven bell rings. Ding, they're done. Buzz, buzz, stir and bake. We make apples and tea. The bugs serve sweets so happily. Thanks for buzzing by, they say with a grin. Come back tomorrow, we'll bake again. Buzz, buzz, stir and bake. We make treats for goodness sake. Mix it, whisk it, yum, oh yum. Cookies, cupcakes, here they come. coconuts, then 4. Pick one more, now we have more. We had 15 fruits, now add 5 more. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Let's roar! We picked and added, counted 2. Apples, peaches, oranges, woohoo! Coconuts made it 20 at last. Let's cheer and jump and have a blast. 1 to 20, now we're done. We tasted fruits and had some fun.
Hey kids, did you have fun today? If you did, don't stop the fun here. Tell your parents to visit our website, www.toonvideos4kids.com, for even more exciting videos, cool adventures, and loads of laughs. And don't forget, subscribe so you never miss the latest and greatest fun waiting just for you.